Are you all ready to get started?
Let's do it. Woo.
Yeah. All right. Well, welcome. Hi, my name is Jonathan McKeeman. I am the field executive for MAC Cosmetics based out of Dallas, Texas. And I am so excited to talk to you guys today about holiday and all the fun things that we have at counter right now. So I have two special guests. They're on either side of me on my screen. But I have Victoria Fielder, who is the retail manager at Dillard's Longview. And I have our fabulous full-time artist, Gabby, coming to you live from Dillard's, Tyler. So we're all over the place today. You guys want to say hi?
Hi, it's so good to be back with y'all. This is like my third VIP class, and it's been so much fun getting to teach virtually. So I can't wait to show you what we have going on today.
Absolutely. Gabby, people.
Yes. Hey, everybody. I'm Gabby, as Jonathan said, here at MAC Cosmetics Tyler. And just to add to what Victoria said, I love doing these VIPs. This is like my second or third one. And it's just so much fun to share all of our tips with you guys and just to be able to meet you where you're at in your homes right now. So I'm so excited for today.
Thank you. Yes, and you said it beautifully, both of you. We have been hosting these VIPs for the last few months, and really it's just an avenue to come to you, whether you be at home, work, or driving, please be careful, and show you some fabulous makeup that we have right now. And it's the perfect time of year to really come by the MAC counter at Dillard's because we have so many exclusive sets. You're gonna see one today. I won't spoil the surprise, but one that's just at Dillard's. So this is a fun little get together we're gonna do. I am going to be hosting in the moderator role. So what that means to you is that I'm gonna moderating the chat box, making sure that if you have any questions, comments, concerns, emotional outbursts, that we answer those for you. So feel free in the chat box below to start up a conversation, ask any questions you'd like. And, oh yes, Gabby and Victoria, you both look beautiful. They're asking about the lipsticks, which I know we're gonna get into too. So yes, the chat box is already on and popping. I'm so excited. But without further ado, I'm gonna turn it over to these two beautiful ladies so they can show you all the fabulous things we have for holiday this season. So ladies, take it away.
So I'm gonna go first, Gabby. So today I'm going to be showing you how to level up your regular everyday makeup routine, highlighting and contouring. So what that means is we're just going to be adding some depth to your skin, but also brightening and highlighting those really pretty places on your face when you're out in the sunlight or you're on the dance floor and the sun reflects you, the light hits you, it's just going to give you such a pretty glow on your skin. So the first thing I'm going to get into is I'm going to be using one of our staple products, which is our bronzing powder in matte bronze. It looks just like this. And then I'm also going to be using a brush today called the 143 SES brush. This is actually going to be in one of the holiday kits we're going to talk about later. But this brush is a multi-purpose brush. You can use this for highlighting and contouring. So also I wanted to let you know that this bronzer comes in 4 different shades. So if this one doesn't work for you, there is one meant for you. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I already have my makeup on, my everyday makeup, so we're just going to be leveling it up now. The first thing I'm going to be doing is taking some of the matte bronzer on my brush, and I'm just going to be applying this. I already have some blush on, so I'm just going to apply it right here on my cheekbones, and this is just going to give me more depth, make my cheekbones really pop really nicely. And I like to kind of hold my hair up a little bit and just go in right here, and it's just creating such a beautiful contour and really making my cheekbones pop. And I like to add warmth to my skin because I'm just super fair and I feel like I just need more color.
Same, Tori. Same.
I also like to put it around the hairline. I basically contour the outside of my face and I want the inside of my face to be really bright and pretty.
Quick question, Victoria. If you were a deeper skin tone, what would you recommend for a bronzing shade?
I would recommend refined golden. That would be a really pretty one. And it also has some like gold flakes in it. So you could use it as a bronzer, but it's also going to give you like a really pretty shine to your skin as well.
I have another recommendation actually for that's really good for really deep skin tones is Film Noir blush. It's a really, really deep, warm toned blush, and it works perfect for deeper skin tones for just a really clean contour.
It does, Gabby. I love that one. It's really great for fall too, Film Noir.
Oh, super cute for fall.
So you can see I'm just putting it around the forehead. I put it underneath the cheekbones, and it really just like amplified my look so much already. Something else I like to do is I like to take a little bit of it and I like to put it on the sides of my nose. If you're feeling like a little self-conscious and you think your nose looks a little too big or too wide, you can just put it on the outsides and it just really slims down the nose. And then I'm also going to take it and put it right underneath the neck because I gotta have a slim neck. So
It's looking really good, Tori. You can see
thank you so much. Yes, it looks great. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using one of my favorite products. This is called Fix Plus. Fix Plus, I use it before I do my makeup. I use it after I do my makeup. I'm also about to highlight, so I want to just refreshen my makeup really quick, and also spraying before is going to help that highlight just really, really pop on my cheekbones. I like to hold it about 6 inches away from the face and lightly mist it. And you can spray as many times as you want throughout the day. It's not going to mess up your makeup.
Something else I want to add about Fix Plus is it has this really beautiful effect when you put it onto your powders, where it helps the powders actually melt into your skin and actually appear more skin-like. So that's just another one of the many benefits you can get out of using Fix Plus.
We also have so many different ones. We have coconut, rose, lavender. We have Fix Plus Matte for our super oilies. We even have Fix Plus Magic Radiance, which is super, super hydrating and has so many great benefits to it, which Gabby's holding that up right now.
Yes, I wanted to show y'all this one because I have really dry and dehydrated skin, and this is basically like Fix Plus, but with just some extra added benefits to it. So it's also got the essential oils and hyaluronic acid added to it. So it's going to be a great treatment for your face over time to just bring that hydration back in while it's also locking in your makeup. So if you've got dry skin, definitely check out Fix Plus Magic Radiance. You're going to love it.
I do love it. So the next thing I'm going to be using is our limited edition holiday collection kit. This is called Frosted Fireworks. This is the FIRELIT kit in gold. So this is an amazing kit. I'm gonna tell you why. It's only $42.50. So again, I'm using this brush that I use for my contour is in this kit right here. This brush alone is $42. So you're basically getting an extra dimension skin finish highlighter for free. And you're also getting this beautiful bag that you can travel with. You can keep your makeup brushes, you can keep your lipsticks, whatever it is that you put in your purse or when you're traveling. So the extra dimension skin finish, this is called Soul Glow. It looks like this. It is so beautiful, so luxurious. And I'm gonna swatch it for you on the back of my hand. It's a beautiful gold kind of champagne. And what I love about this one is it looks great on every single person that puts this on. So it is for all ages, all races, all sexes. So this will look good on anybody that puts on this highlighter. And I'm going to be using that same brush that I use to contour with. And I'm going to go straight in on my highlighter. I'm also going to use the Fix Plus because I use this 20 million times during my makeup routine. And I'm just going to mist the brush. Even though I already missed my face, I'm going to mist the brush again. And this is just going to help it really stick to my skin. So let me see. And I'm just going to place it on the top of my cheeks.
Looking glowy.
I love to glow. I might put a lot on because I want y'all to see me like beaming. But I put this on the top of my cheeks. I go a little bit above where I put my blush at. You can already see right there. It is so beautiful. I'm also going to take it and I like to put it over my brow. So like a little half moon. This is going to make my arch look a little bit higher. I'm also the driest person. So this gives my skin such a beautiful, youthful glow. Especially in the winter time, I feel like I just need hydration. I need whatever I can get to make my skin just look so glowy. But I like to put it up there.
So cute. Something else I want to add about highlighter is notice how Tori is placing the highlighter. She's placing it in such a way that it's actually going to give her a little bit of lift on her face. So you want to be careful when you're applying your highlighter that you don't actually put it down too low or too forward, because that can create, you know, not the look you're wanting. It can pull you down a little bit. So you want to make sure you're placing it on the highest point of your cheekbones. And depending on your face shape, you know, you can even bring it up through your temple area just to create a little more lift there.
I also like to put a little bit on the tip of my nose.
Ooh,
and then I'm even going to take my finger and I'm going to go in right here.
Ooh.
And it just makes my nose look very slim because I've already contoured it. The skin looks so hydrated. You can also, if you're going to a holiday party and you're wearing like an off-the-shoulder dress or top, you can take this highlighter and dust it on the top of your shoulders. You can also put it on right here, these little collarbones, and it just makes your skin look so beautiful, hydrated, glowy. I always call it the J-Lo glow because no one glows better than J-Lo.
That's true.
Okay, so I'm gonna re-show you this again. $42.50 for this entire set when the brush alone is only $42. You cannot beat this, guys. If you feel like the highlighter is not for you, which it is for everyone, we do have some other holiday kits that came out with more highlighters in them. I think there's like a trio for $39.50 that is so beautiful, but this one by far is such a great deal. And then all of these products that I used today, the bronzer, your Fix Plus spray, the highlighter, the brush, all of this, if you spend $65 today, MAC is giving you a bag right here. This is our Frosted Firework holiday bag. They're giving you this bag, and they're also giving you 2 of our most popular lipsticks. And as you can see, Gabby is wearing chili lipstick today, which is a super amazing fall color. It looks so great during the winter or during your holiday season. And then today I am wearing Lady Danger because I love a really poppin' red, and it just makes my teeth look so white.
It really does. Your teeth look amazing, I have to say. But yeah, guys, these are 2 of our most iconic reds. Chili, beautiful orange toned red. Everybody loves chili and everybody loves Lady Danger. Let me tell you, these are 2 lipsticks you don't want to miss out on, especially getting it as a gift with purchase. Look at that. Those are beautiful.
Yes,
And
that's
different
swatch.
too.
Yeah, that's some swatch.
I was also gonna say, I went and grabbed this lip pencil earlier. This is Chicory. I love pairing this with both Lady Danger and Chili. Just, it gives it that perfect definition on the outside, and it's just slightly darker than both of them, so it kind of gives a little bit of an ombre effect to the lips as well, which is going to make your lips look a little poutier. So just wanted to throw out that recommendation. This is Chicory lip pencil. Love it.
I love that Jonathan said cherry lip pencil because that is what I use today. Cherry, my favorite lip pencil with any really bright red. It just makes it pop and it gives it really so much more depth to it. But that was our class today, guys. I'm so happy that y'all got to join on with us and check out some really great holiday sets that we have and some of our favorite staple products. And I can't wait to see back from you at store. Come see us in Tyler or come see us in Longview at Dillard's. We are excited to help you. And don't forget, if you spend $65, you do get this beautiful bag with the 2 free lipsticks. So thank you so much.
So good. Thank you, ladies. You guys are both so gorgeous. but also such great facilitators. I've learned a lot today, and I've been doing this for a while. Here are those two shades again. I just wanted to swatch them for you so you could see them side by side. That gift with purchase, again, is for a $65 purchase, which if you were to get the bag and, I'm sorry, the exclusive holiday set bag and the Fix Plus or the bronzer, really any combination of two products would kind of get you there to get this exclusive set. So, of course, we have a million other things. So tune in to us next time when we go live on Facebook or here in Zoom for you, because we want to show you all the fun different holiday looks this season. So thank you guys again. Oh, and by the way, expect a phone call here momentarily. I know that Kim said she wanted to get that Magic Radiance, and I know that Latricia was like loving those lip combos. So hey, you're gonna get a phone call after this from your team at Tyler or Longview, and they are gonna take care of you and get you all your goodies and hook you up with some gift with purchases. So thank you guys again. Thank you, Gabby. Thank you, Victoria, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.